Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by Instagram's motion effects or you simply prefer a calmer browsing experience, turning off reduce motion can make a big difference. Today, I'll show you a quick updated way to do just that so you can enjoy a smoother, less flashy feed. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're inside, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. This is your personal corner of Instagram where all your settings live and breathe. Next, look to the top right and tap the three-line menu. This opens a compact menu with several options. Don't worry, this part is straightforward and designed to get you where you need to go without any detours. As you scroll through the list, you'll find a section labeled Accessibility. It's tucked a little further down, so keep scrolling until you see it. Tap Accessibility to enter a dedicated space for visual and interaction preferences. Inside Accessibility, you'll see an option called Reduce Motion. This setting controls the amount of animation you see across the app. If you'd like a calmer interface, toggle Reduce Motion off. When it's off, transitions like swipes, page changes, and other movements become more subtle, which can reduce visual clutter and motion-induced discomfort. Take a moment to confirm your choice. You don't need to restart the app or sign back in. The change takes effect instantly. If you ever want to reintroduce motion, simply return to the same accessibility settings and toggle Reduce Motion back on. A quick tip. If you're using a device with a newer operating system, the exact wording or placement might shift a little with updates. If you don't see Reduce Motion right away, check your accessibility or display settings in the main device settings as a backup, then return to Instagram to adjust again. It's a one-time tweak that can make scrolling and exploring feel more comfortable. And that's all there is to it. A small switch, a big difference. Whether you're browsing, watching stories, or exploring reels, turning off reduce motion helps create a smoother, more peaceful Instagram experience.